Here's kind of a sad story. This is another one that Vin is going to be interested in. A couple was buying an iPhone off of the classified listings, an app called Let Go, which you may or may not have heard of. Vin's more of a Kijiji guy, but it's a similar concept. And so this couple saved up money to buy a phone for their child, $450, and they were tricked into buying 2 bars of soap instead. Oh. So what happened was they walked up to this seller. They had their money ready to go. And I guess the way this works is you shouldn't hand over the money first. Is that how it goes? I don't know. I've never had an issue with a swap like this. I don't do this anymore, but back in the day, I would buy and sell camera equipment, things like this, and I never had an issue myself. But the way it worked in this case, they passed over the money, and the individual passed over the phone and then jetted, just took off running. And when they cracked it open, there's a picture of it. If you scroll, there's a picture of it if you scroll down. That's the box. You see when they open the box here. Oh. You got a Jergens and you got a dial, and I shouldn't be laughing. You got a Jergens and you got a dial soap in there. So it's insult to injury, isn't it? Soap? It's so rude. We give me soap. Trying to say here. But the box looks pretty good. It looks shiny and new. What can we say? What's the lesson to be learned? Well, the first one, like I said, don't pass the money over until you've inspected the goods. Step 1. Step 2, meet in a public place. Here on Fox 2, where I found the story, Fox 2 Detroit, they suggest you meet at a police station. Can you imagine that? That's aggressive. Imagine you got this classified deal coming up and you're like, let's meet. I'll meet you at the police station. I mean, I guess anyone who's going to try something, they're not going to try it there. So It's not such a bad idea, but it's also not the most inviting. Why is this guy meeting at what did he have planned? I was always more of a coffee shop guy. Meet in the coffee shop.
Right.
Everyone can see what's going on. If you run out, at least there's going to be witnesses that saw the theft. You're not in the street or whatever it might happen to be. But I guess that might not stop some people from exchanging 2 bars of soap for $450. The claim here is that the couple saved for 6 months to get their 14-year-old daughter a phone. They found a good deal, too good, on the app Let Go. They messaged the 18-year-old seller only to discover that seller was never going to sell them a phone. So that's unfortunate. Maybe what they need, Will, is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. You see how that goes?
Yeah, they can probably get 2 of those.
Yeah, they could have got 2 of those.
And then like a $50 dinner.
They were trying to get a deal on an iPhone because these iPhones are $1,000. And the 14-year-old daughter, she was like, well, I can't, they're going to make fun of me if I got the green bubble on the SMS. I got to have the iPhone, Mom and Dad. And Mom and Dad are like, we're saving here. Can't we just get you the Redmi Note 8? She's like, no. I'm sick and tired of that, whatever that bubble discrimination. I mean, I don't deal with it, but that's ridiculous. Can you imagine at high school, you're worried that people are going to go break out into private conversations and talk about you, and you're not welcome in those group chats because you don't have the right color bubble. Are you kidding me right now? That's a real thing. If you're in high school, I want you to comment down below because I have read multiple articles on how this is affecting and impacting people and locking people in. Imagine that lock-in, Will. You got to have the right color bubble. You got to have the right payment card. You got the Apple. You see how this goes?
It's pretty much like an in crowd.
It's rough, man.
Yeah.
It's pretty rough. So I never experienced it. It's after my time. But if someone's trying to not chat with me because of my bubble color, you know what? I don't want to chat with them anyway. Thank goodness. I'm glad I found out. Go have your blue bubble party because I don't even want to be there.
Yeah. Stick with the green.
Yeah, you see how that goes? So that's the message on that one. The message on that one, get yourself 2 Redmi Note 8s instead of 2 bars of soap. You see that? You see that one? You see? I'm just saying. She wanted the bubble. Yeah. You know what? Why am I yelling at these poor people? They didn't even know about the Redmi stuff. I can't yell at these people. I apologize. I feel bad. Actually, you know what? If you see this, get in touch with me. I'll send you an iPhone, the latest one. If you see this video for your daughter or somebody knows how to get in touch with them, you can email will@lulater.com. I don't know how you're going to prove it. You're going to have to prove it is you because we're going to get all the people rushing over. We got the pics, so how are they going to verify that? Send the pic with the bars of soap. Yeah, maybe that's what we need. Anyway, look. If you can find a way to get in touch and we can verify it to you, I will send you the latest. I'll get you the iPhone XS Max, top of the line, and I'll send it out to you wherever you happen to be. But you got to send me back the bars of soap, okay? Deal? Sweet.